Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, friends. It's me again, Sana Elaf. In today's episode, we are going to make a paper origami frog. It will look like this in ending. It's the bottom, it's the upside. And it hops like this. So let's start. For this, we would need a paper of 16 centimeters in length and 8 centimeters in width. First of all, we will fold this paper into half like this and crease it. Now open it, and now we will repeat the rocket base on the both sides. I've already told you how to make the rocket base in our first episode. Now turn it upside. Now fold this into half. If you crease it properly, you will get a diamond shape over here. Now open it. Now turn it back side. Now press it and we got our base. Do the same to the other side and we'll get a diamond. It will open like this. Now pull this side till here and do the same to the other three sides. We are folding this for the frog's legs. Like this. Fold this till line. Now turn it upside down. This could hop like this. And now fold this corner till this line. And do it like this. Do the same to the other side. Here is a hole over here. So we will tuck this flap inside this hole. You see over here. Fold this in half. Our frog is ready now. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.